But the Sirians are always part of this work. They're kind of like the overlighting force, the way showers, the base holders, the the support team of the work. But there are many, many different beings, star beings, and other beings that can come into sessions, and we'll talk about that. And the cetaceans are certainly one of them. And so they'll often come into the session when there are aspects of consciousness or energy opening for the person that you're working with in alignment with this understanding. And so a great deal to do with heart healing. They work a lot with heart healing and emotional healing specifically, helping people really reopen to the playfulness of their spirit, the inner child, the release of really heavy wounded emotions that are printed in consciousness and things like that. So they'll often participate in healing of those types of things. And so, but then on a much bigger scale, they're seeding new geometries. So as the dolphins and the whales are swimming through the ocean, the whales are crystalline holders. They hold a living Akashic library of the planet. So they have within their Akashic field a record of everything that has, or even will, in a weird way with time again, occur on the planet. Like they're carrying this in their Akash. And so as they're swimming around the planet, they're libraries, they're holding it. And they also will sing frequencies into the water. When you hear whale song and sounds, those sounds travel for hundreds and thousands of miles. They move through the waters of the earth, and they create this beautiful network of living vibration that they're singing into the water of the planet as they sing those songs. And they're all connected to each other.